Hi, this is Dan Altman with MarineMax in Stuart. I want to take you through a 2020 251 Scout XF today. It's a brand new boat, we just got it in. Starting off with a shark gray colored hull. There's a nice upgrade, new color out by Scout. On the back we have a shallow water power pole, so easy anchoring for fishing or pulling up to the sandbar. 300 Yamaha, very nice upgrade, biggest power you can get on the boat. It's got a jack plate, so you can get in those shallows and run the boat. We have a C-Star hydraulic steering as well. With that kind of power, you're going to want some hydraulic steering on it, upgrade. Come on aboard, I'll show you around. In the back, so Scout is attention to performance fishing and cruising comfort. So we do have aft seating, and it's got cup holders, handholds all the way across. Underneath every single seat, we have live wells, including the seat over here. I just have that one down. These fold down, so now you have a nice casting platform. The helm seat, upgraded seat with a Yeti cooler, rod holders across, handholds, and cup holders for the aft seating, and also while you're fishing. We have a hardtop, rocket launchers across the back. We have spreader lights for nighttime fishing. Those are white. We have a glass windshield. Most boats do not have a glass windshield. That's a nice upgrade as well. Room to add more electronics. This one's fully loaded with a Garmin fish finder. Chart plotter is already there. Upgraded Yamaha digital control. I mentioned the C-Star steering with tilt steering wheel. Here's your power pole control, your Lenco trim tabs with indicators. This is digital throttle and shift, not cables, so nice upgrade there. Fusion stereo, aircraft style switches for on and off, stainless steel cup holders that drain to the floor, not into the bilge. And we have our battery on off switch, nice and convenient. The boat is rated for 10 people. We have a stamped non-skid deck, so longevity in the build quality is there. As we go forward, you have rod storage on both sides, so set up for rod storage. That is lockable storage. Pull it down. Now you have seating. This backrest comes out. The cushions come up, and we have the optional platform base. So you have casting platform up here as well. We have powder coated rails, anchor box up front with pop-up cleats, and then upgraded rod holders combo with a cup holder. That's a neat feature. In the console, I'll lift this up, let you come forward. So it's the seating, and then we have storage. Some people have added a head, so it is ready if you want to add that through our service department. But as you can see, it's great access for storage and into the back of the console for servicing. The head unit for the Fusion's there as well, nice and out of the way. Bring that back down. On the side of the console, we also have more rod storage. And then I mentioned the pop-up cleats. This boat is also equipped with fender pros, so a little tab to put your fenders on. So this is the 2020 251 XS Scout. If you have any more questions, give me a call. My name is Dan Altman at 561-762-5777. Thank you.